So to set up your own custom AI actions in WizWrite, it's very, very simple. I can click the auto AI actions at the top here. I can come in to custom and I can click the button that says add custom AI action. Here I can give a title and I can actually provide the instruction that I want. Now, when you are generally dealing with AI and when you're dealing with AI tools, you're dealing with a very generic AI. It doesn't know anything about your business. It doesn't know anything about you. It doesn't really know what's going on. So it can hallucinate. It can make things up. It can not be as specific as you want it to be. So if I want to create something which is ultra specific for my business, I can do so, and I can create an AI action specifically that's going to know me and it's going to know my business. So let's get into it. Let's do an assistant to me to create some humorous sentences regarding WizWrite and what we're all doing right now. So you are an assistant to Stuart Lansdale, who is the founder of WizWrite. You help him to write some humorous sentences and social media posts to help get the word out about the product. WizWrite is an awesome productivity tool that helps you to transform your voice into awesome content by transcribing your thoughts and then running customized AI actions on them to create something truly remarkable. So there's a couple of things to note about this instruction here, and I think it's important to go over this. What have I done? I've said it's an assistant, so I've told it what it is. I've told it what I want it to do. I've given it some key information. I've given it my name. I've given it the company name. So one of the things that happens when you are generally recording your voice and the AI is transcribing stuff, it can make mistakes. It might not pick up everything specifically, especially if you're using a brand name or something that isn't super obvious. So I think if I was to say something like WizWrite, it probably wouldn't spell it or have it as I would want it to be. But because I have provided this in the AI action, it will know to give me the output that I want when I run the AI action on it. I've then given it information about the product. It would not have this information. It would not have a clue about the way that WizWrite works or the way that it interacts. So by doing it and by giving it this information, it's going to have more of a chance of providing me with a solid output based on this. So the last thing for me to do is to give it a title. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find an emoji and I'm just going to say funny WizWrite posts. And once I've done all this, I can hit save and then it's going to appear under my custom AI actions. If I want to edit it, I can do so. If I want to share it with anyone on my team, I can also do so. If I want to get the ID of this specific AI action, I can do so. This is useful for automations and Zapier, which we're going to go into a little bit later. If I want to set up an instant trigger so that every time that this custom action is run, it's going to trigger something, then I can do that. And if I want to save this as a favorite in my account, I can hit this final one and you'll see that it appears here. So now we've created a custom AI action. Let's get into the way that WizWrite actually works and let's do an actual voice recording to then transform the content with this custom AI action. Next part coming up.